Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your essential tools like a Phillips head screwdriver, a small ratchet, and of course, your brand new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down for safety. Consulting your owner's manual is also a smart move to confirm the correct bulb type and any specific instructions for your model. Now, let's access that headlight assembly. Begin by opening the hood of your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You'll typically find a few retaining clips or screws holding the assembly in place. Carefully remove these. Once unsecured, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action will give you clear access to the back of the housing where the bulb is located, making the next step much easier. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it off. Next, depending on your model, you might twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. Handle the new bulb by its base, avoiding touching the glass, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly, ensuring it seats correctly. Almost done. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring all tabs and mounting points align perfectly. Reinstall any retaining clips or screws you removed earlier to secure it firmly. Finally, turn on your Jeep Grand Cherokee and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.